So do we have any type of protection? What type of protection do you when I say type of protection? I want to know. Is it MCCD, MCD, RCCD? What is it? I mean, the power from ACG came when?
Came to the power.
Okay, when it entered the power, where did you connect it into?
To
An isolator.
that's right.
Then from the isolator, where did it go?
It goes to
Let me check the frequency. So let's check the frequency. It should be 50 hertz. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so that's okay. The frequency is okay. That is the line. So let's check the phase. We will not have any issue with frequency voltage. The phases are working out. What do you think the maximum load of this building will be? The form is asking you to ask. They have it. Maximum demand load. KVA slash amps.
the projected the total to be 63.
63. How many ACs do you have?
In total, we have 8 ACs.
In one apartment. In one apartment.
But because the distribution board has separate, that's why. So this very distribution board is taking care of us.
What's the horsepower? Is it 2.5, 1.5?
We have 2 and 2.5 down.
Okay.
Yes, we have 2 and 2.5. Yeah. Apart from here, the next one, that's the first one. We have only 1, 2, and the rest are 1.5.
Okay, so even if